Hello there, this is Justice from Justice Technology, and today I'm going to show you how to run Pear OS 7 on a virtual machine. So choose your virtual machine software of choice. I choose Oracle Virtual Machine Manager. Click New, click Next, type in the name, which I'm going to call mine Pear OS 7, YouTube, and go, oh fuck. Hate my keyboard, it's kind of messed. Click Linux and then do Ubuntu 64-bit. That's the only thing that supports, so you gotta choose it. I'm gonna put 4 gigabytes of RAM on here. Click create new hard disk, VDI, dynamically allocated, and choose your amount of gigabytes, which I'm going to put 75. Click next, click create. Click create again. Should have this. Now we're not ready yet. You gotta click settings, go to system, choose the amount of processors you want. I recommend 2 to 4. Then you go to display, put as much video memory as you can, and enable 3D acceleration. Then go to storage, click the empty CD drive. Click here, click choose virtual machine. Select your OS, which there will be a link in the description for the ISO from their official website. Click OK. Now you want to start it. Gotta give this a second to boot up, and I'll just make this full screen for the video. You want to do start the installer directly. Now I don't know how this video is going to turn out, but this is like my 5th take, so I'm just going to go with the upload. I'll watch it before, but hopefully it all works video wise. There's no chance that this is 100% working on your system, because it's still the operating system here still takes the information from your actual system to run this. I have a 100% guarantee that all Wi-Fi networks will work, because if you're using Wi-Fi like me, it will turn the actual Wi-Fi network into as if this was directly plugged in. Now this may all look like Ubuntu installer. If you remember, this looks like the Mac installer, which I did a fake Mac onto this and it didn't pick up mine, so I'm just gonna use my town, so I'm just gonna use closest to me. Now if you want Pear OS, obviously you know what it is. It's a Linux distro that is a Mac lookalike. Like this part looks like the Mac. Just choose all of your shit here. Type in a password, just as if you were to set up a Mac. And continue. Now right here, this takes a bit of time, so I'm just gonna pause this. Okay guys, if you got to this point, this is installing the system and getting it all ready for you. Like, it just finished downloading everything, and now it's just uploading it to the GUI and making it so it works. Now this won't take that long, but I'm just gonna pause it again to save us time, just giving you an update on what's happening. See you soon. Okay, so we are done. That only took about 2-3 minutes, but once you get here, you just want to click on the button that says reset now. No need to do anything in the virtual machine hoster. Now when it does this, if you give it a minute, it says please remove installation media and close a tray, if any, and press enter. But we did not use this on an actual hard disk system to make it on my system. We're just doing it in a virtual machine, and if you look down here, this icon has been removed and unclickable, meaning there is no disk there. So we just want to click there and click enter, and you'll see the screen again, and suddenly it's bigger. Now it's loading up your Pear OS. That looks a lot like the Mac loading screen, just a pear with a bite out of it, which this was intended for a Mac lookalike distro, so that's expected. Now once we get in there, I'm just going to show you guys how to fix all the screen resolution, and then we're done. Now this kind of looks like the Mac loading screen. They could have did better considering Mount Lion's out, and soon Mavericks will be. Which, whew, I'm excited for that one. Basically, what you want to do is click System Settings right here on the dock. It's kind of funny, there is a dock. Click on Displays, and the dock disappeared. Now the biggest, there is no 1920 by 1080. So I did this one, which fit best. As you can see, wait, no, not this one. What was it? This one, I believe. Yeah, this fit best for when I actually did it. Close, and here's a little distro. Now there is a way to make full screen, I just don't recall how to. I think it's because it's in a virtual machine and my NVIDIA card's not fully supported. But here's Pear OS, as you can see. There's a few shit that needs to be worked out once you figure out how to get a full screen. If I do figure out a way, I'll make a new video for that, for the fixes. Like the gestures don't work right now, because it's not full screen and can't really read it, because my mouse goes off screen when I get to the corners. Now, everything works, including Launchpad. Sorry, I just clicked off of the screen there. See? You have welcome, and then you have your utilities and all this. It's all fine and dandy and working, and good thing about running in a virtual box is, like I said at the beginning, it reads your network cards automatically and allows you to load it up. Now let's just see what version of Firefox we're running. 19.0.2, which there's like 20.20 out or something like that, so it's an older version. So this is it, I guess. This is me signing off.